the nominees are.
12 Years a Slave. Gravity. Philomena. The Wolf of Wall Street.
And the winner is, it's my own mother's name, Philomena.
Thank you. Thank you. We've had a very gratifying year with Philomena, and the perfect way to end it is to come back to the country where the story was born. Philomena, the real one, standing right there, had... Philomena, the story was something I read in a newspaper 4 years ago, and it moved me and it made me angry. But I also saw a photograph of Philomena with Martin Sixsmith in the newspaper, and Philomena was laughing in the photograph. And that was the key to telling the story, was to talk about a difficult issue, a difficult period in Irish history, but to tell it with good humour and with levity, and to concentrate on the olive branch at the end of the film, because although there are criticisms of the church in this film, there's also an olive branch which is held out to people of faith through Philomena's behaviour, where she exercised one of the most admirable traits of Catholicism, which is forgiveness. And also, I'd like to thank the Irish people for taking this film in the right spirit, as most people have, and seeing that it's a message of reconciliation, and that's what the film is about. We had the good fortune of visiting the Pope at the Vatican and screened the film there, and his senior advisors told us that they thought the film was entirely in keeping with the new Pope's message, and I hope that the Irish government hear that and help other people like Philomena, and the children of people from the mother and baby homes who may want to find their children. And I'd also like to thank our wonderful Irish supporting cast, Cathy Belton being an example of that, and of course, and Michelle Fairley, who counterbalanced Dame Judy playing an Irish woman, because Michelle is Irish and she played an English woman, so it's all fair in love and war. But we thank you all very much, and God bless you all. Thank you.